Dito sa IMG, tinuturo sa atin how to build a solid financial foundation. So yung bottom niya o first level of investment natin is yung Kaiser. Ito yung 3-in-1 investment. Ano ba ito? Paano to? So yung Kaiser is yung during accumulation period, this is your paying period, no? For first to 7 years. So dito, ang mga benefits na meron kang hospitalization or inpatient benefits, may free annual physical exam, free dental benefits, waiver of installment due to death or disability. Then sa extended period naman, so from 8 to 20th year, so meron ka pa ring hospitalization or inpatient benefits, consultation, maternity and pre-existing illness and dreaded disease. Then dito meron na tayong investment components wherein nagko-compound siya every year ng 10% interest based sa plan type na kinuha mo. Then sa maturity, pwede siyang good as cash. Then meron ka ding long-term care benefits based sa plan type na kinuha mo. And may bonus ka dito if hindi mo nagamit during your paying period. Meron kang marireceive na 70% to 85% of the premium. Then yung long-term care period, ito na yung 10% na nagko-compound yung interest. To know more about Kaiser, comment ka lang.